Hi, this is Lisa Rangel with Chameleon Resumes, the premier executive resume writing company, and thank you so much for joining me today. And today I want to talk about mastering how to job search as a skill. I am a huge advocate of people learning how to job search as an actual skill to master. Just like, balancing your bank account, or just like cooking meals for yourself, or networking. I mean, just to me, these are basic skills that people need to master in order to feel good about themselves, feel secure in their life. It builds confidence when you can create your own opportunity and not be reliant on people, and not be reliant on job postings or electronic tools or apps in order for your career and your ability to make money for yourself. I think it's best that if you can drive this yourself because you have a skill set that allows you to do so, you are going to be so much happier and you're going to be ahead of many other people. Although I think the most important part is that you're happier and you feel more controlling within yourself. So I want to talk to you about mastering finding a job as a skill. And there, to me, are four parts to that. Um, we use our meta job landing system. M is marketing documents, E is effective job landing tactic training, T is our three-step interview prep process, and A is advanced compensation work. That's done when offers come in. And I know working with us one-on-one can be really difficult for some based on the price point, but I have boiled all of this down into our Get Hired Fast bundle. And this is a DIY program. It covers all four parts of our meta job landing system in such a way that you can do it for yourself. And I give you instructions on how to craft your resume, how to construct your LinkedIn profile, how to find people, how to reach out to them, what to say to them, how to have a coffee meeting. What actually is a coffee meeting other than two nice people having coffee, right? Like, showing you how to get results from those encounters. In addition to, applying to jobs more effectively, working with executive recruiters when they do reach out, or how you should approach them, how to prepare yourself for an interview, how to maximize your compensation package. These are all important skills that each one of us should have at our fingertips. We should be able to do this for ourselves and commit to learning how to do it. So if you go to gethiredfastbundle.com, you will get all of my DIY resources. You can buy them there. It's an affordable price. And this way you can start putting yourself on a path of empowerment to knowing how to look for a job. And I encourage you to do this before you need it. This is, the idea of knowing how to do this before you need it, having the documents ready before you need them, is so important. Learning how to do this when you are at your worst, when you are, downtrodden from a layoff or petrified to go to work because you're afraid of losing it, and that's when you want to create your marketing material, is the worst idea ever. Do all of this before you need it. And this way, then you'll have it all done ahead of time. You'll be able to handle approaches that come to you in an unsolicited manner. You'll be able to do proactive outreach without thinking twice about who you're reaching out to, or that you don't look the part when they look you up on LinkedIn from looking at your note. I'm telling you, this is all doable, and it should be a skill that they teach in high school, that they teach in college. We should know how to do this, okay? Life's not fair, we don't, but I want to help you write it today. And even if this isn't for you, I'm going to ask you to share it with somebody. I want you to help me spread the message, because learning how to look for a job, all of us should have that as a skill set. So that's my mission today. I hope you help me by sharing this, even if this isn't right for you, because it will be right for somebody. And that's all I got. So if you have a question, you can DM me, you can email me at lr@chameleonresumes.com. You can comment below. I do my best to reply to every email, comment, DM, whatever you send me. I do my best to get back to you. If you like the video, I'm going to ask you to like it. I've already asked you to share it, so I'm going to ask you again if you know someone who will benefit from this, and if you liked what I've said today, that job searching really should be a skill that we all know how to do, then I'm going to ask you to share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or my LinkedIn page, followed my LinkedIn page, I'm going to ask you to do that as well so you do not miss next week's video. Thank you so much for joining me today and have a great day.